20-second tips
for home learning.
Welcome back to 20-second tips for home learning. I hope you're ready to have some fun because it's Halloween here at TST. And I couldn't resist today's tip. Have a dress-up day. If your favorite parts of school are dress-up and school spirit days, then don't erase them just because you're at home. You can have spirit days anywhere. Halloween is the perfect time to play with costumes, but these shenanigans don't have to be limited to once a year. If you're feeling like you need a little fun pick-me-up, schedule a crazy hair day or a backwards day. Mustache day is always a fun one too. Let me know your favorite school theme day. I love pajama day. It's the best. If you're new and want more study tips, check out this other video. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel by clicking that little A+. And if you want even more home learning tips and tricks, or are just super nerdy like me, check out the mailing list below.